Gay marriage is the next right for Republicans to roll back, and they're already making moves to do so. Idaho Republicans have introduced a resolution to encourage the Supreme Court to overturn Obergefell versus Hodges, the decision that made marriage equality a federal right in 2015. Idaho Republican Representative Heather Scott wrote that the Supreme Court decision was an illegitimate overreach, and that the definition of marriage needs to be brought back between a man and a woman, or in her words, the natural definition of marriage. Now, just because they crafted this resolution doesn't mean much. Symbolically, yes, it would tell the Supreme Court that a state is interested in them re-examining, but it's not an end-all be-all. And yes, there is the Respect for Marriage Act that the Biden administration passed in 2022. But without Obergefell, states are not required to issue marriage licenses to gay couples, forcing them to incur the cost of traveling out of state. Ultimately, what it would look like for couples would depend state by state. This is bad. The guy isn't even in office yet, and the GOP is already sending a clear message about what their priorities are. Now remember, in the Dobbs decision, Justice Thomas called for the decisions about gay marriage, gay sex, and the right for birth control to be reevaluated too. It's disturbing that this is even a thing to be rethought of to begin with. The election was about more than the presidency. It was about the Supreme Court, because look at what the last group of Trump appointees got us. There is absolutely no pleasure in saying "we told you so" in this moment.